So this is the main menu. You have to go through from here to here. First you are going to load the data. This is the raw data. I have set it default sheet 1, so it's better to have only one sheet in the raw data. Once the data loaded, you'll get a pop-up, and then you can go for the loading of the criteria. Is basically, I have named the two columns, the words which to be excluded from the raw data, and the zip codes. So it's taking a bit long because data is huge, more than 33 million rows. So it's taking a bit while. Don't worry, this you are going to do it only once. Data. So here is a button which clears the old data. That will make the thing faster. You can click this and clear the old data, and then you can load the new data. I think that will save some time as well. So the raw data loaded. Now we can go for the criteria. You have given the criteria. Criteria is only two columns and very less rows, so it loaded quickly. Now you have to press this button and wait. uh, Let me press this button. I have to wait 5 minutes on my system. After the completion of the task, this will give you a pop-up that the task has been completed successfully, and then you can check the data in absentee tab here. So if you want to load another data, you can clear data and then check. You can go to the absentee tab once the task is completed, and you can review the data. If you have any question, query, or any modification required, you can always contact with me.